Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best skillet brands in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Nesco ES 08 Skillet. Nesco is a subsidiary of Metal Ware Corporation that specializes in developing small kitchen appliances. Apart from well-established product lines, the brand constantly strives to add new products and categories to its portfolio to meet the changing needs of consumers. This skillet has one of the highest power ratings with 800 watts for providing a high temperature. The pan is made of die-cast aluminum that is sturdy and is resistant against scratches. Plus, the 8-inch base with a deep interior is suitable for roasting and frying. The surface is non-sticky that prevents food from sticking onto the surface for fast cooking and easy cleaning. The skillet features a sophisticated thermostat temperature control for adjusting the temperature to cook a variety of dishes. It has a pilot light that makes it easy to read the temperatures. The skillet comes with a sturdy tempered glass lid to prevent food spatter and to keep the food warm. The cool handle allows you to use the skillet as a serving pan when the food is hot. The lid is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Number 2. Our second best pick is Nonstick Surface Electric Skillet. Headquartered in New York, Dash works tirelessly to develop innovative cookware and kitchenware to help prepare home-cooked meals using natural ingredients. The brand is committed towards helping consumers live a healthier life by eating whole, natural foods. This skillet features a 14-inch cooking surface with 25-inch depth that can feed up to 6 people. With 20 cups of cooking capacity, the skillet is perfect for large families, small parties, and social gatherings. It has a 1400-watt power rating that quickly heats up the skillet to 450 degrees in less time. It is equipped with a temperature probe and dial that allows you to set the desired temperature based on the food you cook. The electric skillet's cooking surface is made of PFOA-free materials for safe cooking. Plus, the surface is non-sticky for consistent cooking results and easy cleaning. There is a cool touch handle for secure handling of the skillet while serving hot food. It comes with a tempered glass lid for checking the food while cooking and retaining heat to keep the food warm. Along with the electric skillet, you get anti-sleep feet, removable cords, recipe book, and recipe database access. Number 3. Our third best pick is Cuisinart CSK 150 Non-Stick Oval Electric Skillet. Cuisinart is committed to developing innovative, multifunctional, and premium quality products to empower home cooks. The brand has won numerous awards and accolades over the years, including Gold Summit International Award, Gold Hermes Award, and Good Design Awards. With a power rating of 1,500 watts and cooking area of 12 by 15 inches, this electric skillet can cook food for up to 4 people in less time. It is made of brushed stainless steel with a non-stick interior for durability and easy cleaning. Plus, the non-stick surface makes it perfect to cook low-fat and no-fat ingredients. The skillet is built to meet North American electrical standards and all the products used are BPA-free. The electric skillet is equipped with a temperature control dial that allows you to set a temperature from warm to 450 of. Plus, the dial has indicator lights to display the temperature level. The skillet comes with a glass cover for locking the flavors and moisture along with preventing food spatter while heating. The glass cover has a stainless steel rim and handle on the top along with side handles for convenient handling. The skillet is dishwasher safe for a hassle-free cleaning experience. Along with the skillet, you get a recipe book containing 30 recipes. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Aroma Housewares AFP 1600 Stainless Steel Skillet. This is a popular small kitchen appliances brand with a large product portfolio including multi-cookers, countertop ovens, skillets, electric kettles, deep fryers, ice cream makers, coffee makers, and yogurt makers. The brand uses green packaging for shipping the products where the cardboard must contain at least 80% post-consumer recycled materials. This skillet features a large cooking capacity with a 11.8-inch wide and 2-inch deep pan. It is made of high-quality 18/10 stainless steel and has an impact-bonded base for uniform heat distribution. The skillet has a flexible heating option within the range of 225 degrees Fahrenheit and 425 degrees Fahrenheit for cooking a wide range of meals and food. The temperature can be adjusted using the temperature control dial knob. The electric skillet consumes 1,500 watts of power to generate heat and cook food in less time. The skillet is accompanied by a tempered glass lid that gives you full view to monitor the cooking. The lid also retains the flavors and moisture of the food after cooking. There are handles located on both sides of the skillet using which you can serve the cooked food directly. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Zojirushi EPRAC 50 Gourmet D-Expert Skillet. Zojirushi is committed towards developing next-generation products that exemplify ease, style, and affluence in 3 main segments: food and amp, beverage preservation, cooking appliances, and home and amp, industry amenities. This skillet is a multifunctional cooking equipment with 2 cooking pans. The upper pan has a ceramic surface with titanium non-stick coating that is best suited for grilling. The deep inner pan can be used for making fondues and soups. Both the pans have a large 12-inch base for feeding up to 4 people. The skillet is ETL listed for meeting the national standards. With a power rating of 1350 watts, the skillet produces heat up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature can be adjusted from 176 degrees Fahrenheit to 480 degrees Fahrenheit for cooking different dishes. The skillet comes with a tempered glass lid to view the food while it is being cooked. There are handles on the sides of the pan for convenient handling and serving food. The power cord is detachable for compact storage. Along with the skillet, you get an instruction manual with recipes in 4 different languages: English, traditional Chinese, Japanese, and Korean. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.